Made it to the room. Upgrade for my Platinum Elite status. 1-bedroom suite. Got a big room. It's just me. It's be great when you have the kids, but not a big deal. I'm gonna enjoy it. And drop my bags off, and now I'm gonna head down to go see my grandmother real quick, and maybe get some lunch, some dinner, and then hopefully the Red Sox game tonight. I got my ticket. Got really cheap, $10 on Vivid Tickets. So if I go. I don't know. Definitely going tomorrow though. So let's get going. Boom. Just in case you want to take a tour right there. Is that one? Is that living room? The bedroom. Giant bathroom. And there is outside the house building one. Well, there is a 7-Eleven right next door, which I am going to use to buy some beer later when I get back. So there you go. Next day we went to JetBlue Park, which you see some video of that over there, and we are actually at Page Field right now, which is a small little airport, like for single engine planes here. Probably some, I don't know if jets land here. Looks like there's also single engine planes, like propeller planes, and they actually have a cool observation. I see a couple of jets, some small jets over there. They have a cool observation area behind you, which I didn't know. I was just kind of driving on the road and I found it. It's open until 9 o'clock at night, so you can catch and see all these small little planes. And it is a Sunday, so it's pretty active, so people are taking their planes out for a ride, but this is pretty cool. So today we're gonna go check out Big Orange, and we'll see my grandmother right before we leave, and then we're gonna head to the game again, and off to the airport. So follow me there, and we got another plane ticket. So I want to get a picture of this gas line. So this used to be a Hess, then it became a Speedway, now it's a Marathon. This is Trail One Drive, the street my grandmother lived on. And I used to walk up the street all the time. But I have like a 900 pictures of this gas station with prices over the years. So I figured, hey, what the hell? Let's do that. Why not? On the way to the Alright, so before the Orange Juice, doing a quick stop at the Bell Tower Mall. Now, we did this video already a couple times. We did the inside Bell Tower Mall, and we did the two-part US 41 pub crawl last year, or the year before. So, we've already seen a lot. It's in this mall, but as you know, this is kind of a dead mall. There's not much going on in here. I did want to, oh, excuse me, pop in here real quick and check out where that coffee shop was, just to add to this content of 20 years of spring break, because we did go to that coffee shop quite a lot, but as we're walking through the mall right now, it looks kind of the same as it did. We did this tour a couple years ago. It's kind of a dead mall. When I was a kid, I used to hate this mall because there's no toy stores in it. I like the Edison Mall better, which we didn't get to, but we also did that in a video too. But we're walking to this point where the coffee shop is now. They've renovated this mall since, I I believe the video we did when we toured it was already renovated, but or they're in the process of renovating. But it's a little bit different. They changed it up a little bit. They updated it, but it's a shame there's no stores in here. It's nice open air mall, a lot of shaded areas. Walk, get some fresh air, pop in the stores, but I'm not sure what's gonna happen to this thing at the end. That's where the coffee shop was. Now, I'm gonna show some more pictures coming up here, and you'll see how this used to be an archway right here, and now it's kind of a little bit more open. And then the entrance to the coffee shop was, had to be right here. Yeah, it was right here because this was the corridor that go down. So it's right now, it's a restaurant. So at least something came in there. I noticed there's a lot of restaurants in this place. So I think that maybe this is what it is. Maybe this is just a restaurant place now. But I got a great picture, and I actually hand drew one. Over here, but I remember sitting in this coffee shop, spring break 2004, with the boys. Looks nothing, that's they completely different inside. And listening to, God, I forget the name of the emo band, but they were playing in the background. And, you know, the memories from those days. And then sitting there in 2005, just hanging out, having a coffee. And of course, as we exit, there's the Bell Tower Mall movie theaters, which we used to go to all the time when I was a kid. A lot of these restaurants have changed. They're still good. This place is the Outdoor Bar, pizza place. It's still here, but most of the places are still here when we did the pub crawl a couple years ago. But that mall used to be 3 different theaters, and then they knocked them all down and built one giant one. And I remember it was cool because you'd be like, am I going to Bell Tower North or South? Grace. That used to be World of Beers. It looks like he still has the World of Beers taps and everything like that. Big fan of World of Beers. I enjoyed going there all the time. And it's really not around anymore. So it's a good concept, but that one we used to go to all the time because it was great. You can hang out and drink beer. There's a big orange. I probably have a bunch of pictures of this orange from the show right here. I feel like it gets smaller every time I see it though. We're at the Sun Harvest market. We used to call it the orange juice factory back in the day, but there's the old orange. Well, I had to stop in the store and get a few things. So I did get some orange, Sun Harvest strawberry orange and stuff, just the balls. And I got a shot glass to add to the collection because I never had one actually from this place, which is kind of cool. So finally got a shot glass for this place. And boom, some alligator jerky. It says it's made with alligator, beef, and pork, and a bunch of spices. That should be interesting. All right, now I'll have to see my grandmother, and then we're gonna go to the game, and then we might squeeze the beach in. We'll see how much time we have after the game. And here we are, waiting in traffic. So the one thing you should know about if you're going to the Red Sox game is there's gonna be a lot of traffic, especially when there is a Twins game on the same day, and they're about a few miles apart from each other, but you gotta take the same road to kind of get to the both of them. So we're sitting here. First pitch already started. We're gonna be rolling in probably sometime. By the time we get out of the car in the stadium and I got my beer, it's gonna be the second inning. I get standing room tickets anyway, so I can just kind of hang out. But something to know. It's a good amount of traffic, but we're here. Let's go and enjoy the game.